Hey guys, it's Jake Coker with Secure Financial Management. Remember, at Secure Financial Management, we want to be your #1 financial resource. So this was always going to happen, right? What am I talking about here? I'm talking about the last few weeks in the market that have been pretty ugly. And why do I say with such a cavalier attitude, well, this was always going to happen? You got to look at some of the speculative bubbles that have been occurring in the market. And when we say speculative from an investment point of view, you can also use the word gambling, I believe. Speculation and gambling are two sides of the same coin. Look at some of these charts here, right? Tesla, Bitcoin, GameStop. Look at some of the volatility or incredible gain, and this is just a small handful of charts we could show you. Look at some of the volatility or the incredible gains, hundreds of percentage points sometimes, over a 9 to 12 month period. When that much money goes into a certain asset class or a particular equity, you can almost be guaranteed that there's going to be a reckoning at some point. So why is this happening? Why is there so much speculation? Well, I don't know if we ever have definitive answers, but I could suggest a few ideas, right? For about 12 months, all the money that a lot of people spent on going out, traveling, etc., hasn't been spent. A lot of you guys are probably like everybody else. You've got those balances building up in the checking and savings accounts, right? There's been stimulus checks going out, and a lot of that money has ultimately found its way into the markets and into particular areas of the markets that have had volatility and significant increases. And increases like that without justified fundamentals just about always end up unwinding, and that's very likely the beginning of what we're seeing here. Don't confuse speculation or gambling with investing. We invest, we don't speculate, okay? Let me share just a few kind of funny stories here, right? About why I believe this is happening. And maybe the stories that you've heard similar as well, right? Saturday night, I was waiting for some food at Stoneworks, minding my own business, talking to my cousin on the phone in Australia, 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. And a random guy, wearing a beanie no less, comes up and says to me, "Hey, what are you trading? Tell me what you're trading. I want to know what it is." So I was like, "Not trading anything. I mean, it's 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. Markets are closed anyway." I said, "I'm not trading anything." Not sure why he approached me. My wife and I moved house recently. The mover was very interested in sharing with me all the trades and technology, the call and put options he's been doing in the cryptocurrencies that he's been trading. Finally, a gentleman recently told me that I should meet with his son, who just dropped out of medical school, to start his own hedge fund. These are not great indicators for normal rational investing going on, right? And the truth is that if we're invested in the markets, there's really no way to avoid not being caught up in the repercussions of what might happen. Remember, we're investors, we're not speculators or gamblers. Guys, I hope this has been helpful. As always, if anything comes up that you'd like to discuss about your personal financial situation, give us a call at the office, 210-428-6250. We'd be happy to speak with you.